Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop, and welcome to issues 82 and 83 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by our good old friends at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, this beautiful 1/6 scale model, head over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Pop. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful car. So we're doing two issues today. In issue 82, you get the rear compartment bulkhead. You've got some quad bikes there and ATVs that are popular in America. Various different designs. This is the trunk center panel that you would get today, and it's a case of sit and look at it. So yeah, luckily for me, I've got the same package. I've got the sides turn up as well, so we can do the two. This gives you an idea of what you've received so far in your Mustangs, folks. So trunk panels, doors, spare wheel, top part of the engine, front, bonnet, etc. Or hood if you're in America. This is the GT at the 12 hours of Sebring. Semi-permanent circuit, that was back in the day. And then you got the GT there with Jackie X driving it. Ken Miles and Bruce McLaren. Bless them. So that's issue 82. That's what you would have got. But in issue 83, you've got the Mustang, the Empire State Building. How the hell did they get that up there? Yeah. Transportable sections in the workshop. Yeah, that's how they got it up there. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah. This is the trunk side panels, jack, spare wheel retaining eye, etc. So we're going to be putting all of that together. So you'll need your rear chassis section, folks, or your complete chassis section. And this is how this is all going to go together. And then drops in and retains the spare wheel in place. Okay. And this is what we're going to look like at the end there with the chassis and floor section. Okay. The Barber Vintage Motorsports Museum. Looking rather splendid there in Leeds, Alabama. Nice bike there. The Victoria Burgermeister V35. One of the first important exhibits. Looks a nice place to go to. Famous female American drivers. This is Danica Patrick. Currently co-commentates on the UK Formula One. And yeah, brief history there of Danica Patrick. Elena Myers was considered to be a possible participant in the top class of motorcycle racing. And Jessie Combs, bless her, may she rest in peace. Sadly died in 2019 while attempting to get her own record in Alvord Desert, bless her. But yeah, very talented lady. If I remember, I'm sure she used to be on Mythbusters or something like that. I'm sure I saw her on them sort of shows. So that's the magazines today. So let's grab all of our parts. So this is the trunk floor or bulkhead panel. Okay, so we want that to go in place. And then we got the sides. And then we want 83B, which is going to press fit in there. So you've got to put your fingers behind there. And press it fully home. Like so. There you go. So that's that done. We've then got our scissor jack. We've got 83E and 83D. That's going to go together and press fit like so. There's the trolley jack, or floor jack, scissor jack, whatever you want to call it. So we'll get our chassis in and we'll start getting this all in place, folks, okay? Right, so that's going over there. Somewhat like so. And then the jack's going to go around there, so let's pop that in place. There you go. Let's try and turn this so that you can actually see what I've done, which is that. There you go. It's absolutely massive now. But that's what you've got, folks. So let's spin that round that way. There you go. So that's that issue. That's that issue done, folks. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, this beautiful, if not rather massive, Ford Mustang, head over to the DeAgostini website. Link is in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic 1/6 scale model. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can just click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the channel, I'll be massively grateful. Also, whilst you're there, give the bell a ring and select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company whilst I've been struggling to manoeuvre this Mustang. Please bear with me. I'm doing everything I can to get this in shot. Stay safe and well. See you next time. Bye-bye. It's massive.